contrasting colors. We have not really played around with contrasting colors that much because we kind of tend to blend the colors of the links in the ad with the link colors of the blog itself. Sometimes we would not do that, but you have to play around and see what works for your blog. Each blog is an individual blog, and no one can give you a set method saying that if you have a contrasting color it will work for you. That's not true. You have to play around, and there are softwares to help you do that, but they generally, like Pubmatics, is something that keeps changing your AdSense colors and trying to give you a combination that will work for you, but they take a commission of every click that goes through, as well as they require around 50,000 impressions for you to be part of that program, to join that program. So this is refusing to load. Anyway, so with AdStack you get to choose you put in your thing, and then you get to put up your backup tags. Once you pass this step, you get to put different kinds of codes like your AdSense code or your publisher's code or any other ad site code, as well as AdStack will fill those spaces up with the channels they work with, which is a very interesting thing, and I think everybody should make the most of a feature like this. Experiment with it, because in the next few days I think we shall be switching all our AdSense ads to AdStack with the AdSense code in it. To see, we'll first check with a couple of sites to see what kind of rewards we will be getting, whether we are making any more money with this feature, and perhaps let you know in the next monetization video. So right now we've covered two kinds of advertisements. One is the in-text links by Contera. I am not paid by Contera to refer Contera to you. It's just that we have used it and made money out of it. We used to work with Widgetbugs and we made a couple of payments with them. Widgetbugs is run by Empire.com, and out of the blue Widgetbugs just shut down. So it's scary if you don't have somebody to refer you to a good advertiser who pays and continues to pay you. AdStack has been so good to us. We had a problem once because where we stay in India, the government had set up a new law for PayPal, so the AdStack payment bounced because of that. They send you a payment to PayPal, and I sent them a mail, or I spoke with them on customer service via their chat feature, live chat right here, and they solved the issue in I think 3 days time without us having to contact them once again, which I received the payment in 3 days time, which was awesome. Generally, when you have an issue with AdSense regarding a payment, they send you the payment next month with your next month's payment. I'm not saying that AdSense is bad. It's our main source of revenue, and AdSense is awesome too. So I hope you enjoyed this step of monetizing your blog. We have covered the different ad networks, as well as I've given you a little run through as to how to place your ads, where to place them, colors, and playing with them. Now the next step would be on building traffic. That is the most important thing. If you've got your blog looking good with a free template, you get good free templates, you modify them, customize them to your needs, and the next thing is traffic. How do you draw in traffic? What are the small more tips and tricks that you can use to tweak your template and make it more SEO friendly. Blogger is extremely difficult to make SEO friendly. It's not easy. Sites like WordPress give you an automatic SEO friendly plugins and things like that to help you get your blog on the top for certain keywords. It's not impossible for Blogger. It's possible and you can definitely do it, and we shall help you do it in the next episode of our video series. Thank you for watching and listening. Hope to see you viewing our next video as well on drawing in traffic and SEO for Blogger. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye from Blogger Blog Templates.